What's going on, everybody? The summer is almost here and it's time to get your side hustle on. So, coming up in this video, I'm going to be talking about 7 side hustles that you can do over the summer. Let's go. All right, everyone. My name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis from Jarrett-JamalDavis.com, and on this channel, I create videos on a weekly basis with tips and strategies to help you create an income online so you can live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. So let's go ahead and get into today's topic, where I'll be talking about those 7 side hustles that you can do this summer. And the first one on the list is actually going to be walking dogs. Now listen, if you are a dog lover, you have a love for pets, a love for animals, and you love walking dogs, this is definitely one of those side hustles that you want to take a look at and do your research on, because not only can you walk dogs doing something that you enjoy and love, you can get paid for it. And there are several apps out here that allow you to take on this opportunity. So the great thing about walking dogs is you do have the flexibility to make money on your own time, make your own schedule, and use some of these apps that they've already created. So as I did my research on this, there are 3 apps that I'm looking at right now, which is the WAG app, Barkley, and Rover. So again, if you have a love for dogs and you love to walk dogs, why not get paid for it? So definitely do your research, as I always say in every video that I make, but you definitely can have this one as one of your side hustles. Now, number 2 on the list is actually going to be to clean houses. Now listen, this is for all of the people who are out there busy. Sometimes you have busy work from home mom or parents, and sometimes you just have those busy professionals. They want their homes cleaned, but they're always working. They don't have the time to do it. They're trying to take care of their families and things of that nature. So listen, you have to get resourceful with this one. So I would say, get your cleaning equipment together. Get the vacuum, get the brooms, get the gloves, get your mask, get all of those things together. And listen, you have to be resourceful with this one. Whether you're going to use Facebook or Craigslist, listen, you have to advertise your service and let people know how you can be of service to them. So definitely, one of the best ones is number 2, like I said, is to clean houses over the summer. Now, number 3 on that list is actually going to be to rent a spare room in your home. And listen, people overlook this one all of the time, but it is one of those I like to call passive ways to make income. Because listen, once you set that room up, whether it's a spare bedroom in your home, or some people actually have rooms on the back of their homes or detached from their homes. And see, these rooms can actually bring in extra income. Now, the platform we're going to be talking about today is actually Airbnb. It's one of the best places to get your room or space on a list that people can actually see, that they can actually rent out. And I love this as one of those side hustles, because this actually can bring you in a lot of weekly income depending upon the area you're in. But again, like I said, always do your research, always look at the pros and the cons with everything. But definitely, you can go on Airbnb right now, look at homes and spaces in your area just to see what they are renting for, so you can see the potential of the type of money that you can actually be making. So definitely look into Airbnb and renting out some space that's in your home, or whether you have like a beach house on the back of your home. Look at renting those spaces out, because they definitely can bring you in some great additional income. Now, the next one on the list is actually going to be TaskRabbit. And as I jump over to TaskRabbit.com, definitely this is for people who are handy. So if you consider yourself a handyman, or just a little handy when it comes to tools and things of that nature around the home, you definitely want to look at TaskRabbit, because in these examples, TaskRabbit just pays you for different services that people are actually looking to get performed. So a few examples are assembling a table or desk, mounting a TV or a mirror on the wall, moving boxes to a truck, cleaning bathrooms and kitchens, just like I was talking about in that second side hustle. Also, fixing a running toilet, office and home delivery, lifting furniture upstairs, and also planting flowers. Yes, they have a task on here for planting flowers, and the projected pay is between $42 to $88. So listen, check out TaskRabbit in your area, see what type of task out there that you can actually perform. But it is definitely high up on the list when it comes to side hustles that you can be doing this summer to earn some extra cash. Now, the next one on the list is going to be to sell your used items. So again, this is one of those ones where you just go around your house, and look for things, look for items that you no longer use, and make sure they're in decent condition. But you definitely can use different marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, even eBay to sell your used items. And I want you to look for things that you no longer need anymore, that you don't need to have anymore. I mean, I was actually selling my bike on Facebook Marketplace. I no longer ride it. I'm actually looking at getting another one, but it's still in great condition. I know someone else can use it, so I put it on Facebook Marketplace. So definitely go around your house and listen. Even if you've never sold anything before, what you want to do is when you find an item around your house that you're thinking about selling, actually go to Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or eBay and actually type that item in to see if someone has actually sold it already, what's the going rate for, how much you can sell it, so you can get that information so you'll know whether it's something that you can sell or not. But definitely always, like I said, do your research. Now, the next one on the list, this is a different one. It's going to actually be to wrap your vehicle. So the website that we're actually going to be talking about in this one is carvatize.com. And this is one you want to do your research on and look at, because with carvatize.com, they're saying that you can earn $350 to $1,500 per campaign. Now, when it comes to Carvatize, how it really works is the first thing you need to do is go to carvatize.com, and actually you're going to fill out a driver application. They're going to ask you simple questions about how you normally drive on a day-to-day basis. From there, they're actually going to match you with a brand that likes your driving habits. From there, they're actually going to wrap your car and then pay you every month through direct deposit. And when the campaign is over with, they're going to send you back to the shop and they're going to take that advertisement off of your vehicle. So definitely, if this is something that you would like to look into, go to carvatize.com, because I mean, hey, $350 to $1,500 per campaign. I mean, just think about it. Let's just say you only earn $350. Think about it right now. What bill could that take off the table right now? So definitely look into carvatize.com, where you could wrap your vehicle and earn $350 to $1,500 per campaign. Now, the last one on the list is going to be to rent your car. And the app we're going to be talking about with this one is actually Turo.com. Now, what I like about Turo.com is not only is it a marketplace for people to go on there and rent vehicles, it's actually a marketplace for you to go on there and put your vehicle up for rent. So if you're working from home and you have a vehicle that's basically just sitting in the driveway, that car that's just sitting in the driveway could actually be making you some money. And I just want to give you some averages here, but always, like I say, do your research when it comes to any of these ideas. Now, Turo's website is basically saying on average, people with one vehicle that they have on a Turo app can earn an extra $10,000 a month. Listen, that's like almost an extra $800 a month that you could be making just from letting someone rent out your car. Now, I want you to understand that when it comes to Turo, they understand that you are using your vehicle, you're letting your car be rented out. But I want you to understand that when you put your car on the Turo platform, they insure your car with an up to $750,000 in liability insurance from Liberty Mutual. Plus, you get to choose from an array of protection plans that include varying levels of reimbursement for physical damage. So they protect your vehicle for up to $750 of liability insurance. But again, like I say, with any of these high hustles, you definitely want to look at the pros and cons. You definitely want to look at all of the information to see if it's something that you would like to try. So other than that, listen, question of the day. Which one of these side hustles are you actually going to try this summer? Go ahead and put it in the comment section below because I love to see which one you're actually going to try. And other than that, make sure you like this video if you got value and subscribe to the channel because I'll be putting out videos like this on a weekly basis. So other than that, guys, I hope you take care, take charge, and have an amazing day on purpose. Why? Because you deserve it.